How to upload Instagram stories on WhatsApp with music. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to upload Instagram stories on WhatsApp with music. To start, open your Instagram account. On your Instagram, you're going to click on Settings. Once you're in your settings, go to Privacy. Over at Privacy, click on Story. Once you're in Story, scroll down, and then make sure to check Save to Gallery. Once you're done with that, all you gotta do right now is click on the plus square sign on the center. This will allow you to create your own story. In this example, I'm gonna choose some random photos here in my gallery. Swipe up now and then click on Add Music. And then choose the music you want to add to your story. And then click on the portion of the music that you want to be added in your story as well. Alright, once done, I'm going to click on Next and then share it to my story. This Instagram story is now saved on my gallery because of the settings that we just did. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to open WhatsApp. On WhatsApp, click on Status and then tap on My Status. And here, you can now browse your gallery and locate that Instagram story with music that we just made. And then just click on Next. It should be shared now on your WhatsApp. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe.